Hello and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing epoxy. Which do you think has more moisture, old or new epoxy? Let's find out. For today's test, we're using old and new bottles of the same Loctite D609 epoxy. Neither bottle has ever been used or opened prior to this test. The old bottle expired in 2004 and the new bottle expires in 2018. After depositing the samples in their respective sample bottles, we weighed them, placed them on the transport, entered their weights into the moisture analyzers, selected the correct program, and started the test. Epoxy and epoxy-related materials can be found in paints, coatings, and adhesives across many industries. It is common in marine and aerospace applications and is used in electronics and electrical systems as an insulator to protect components from short-circuiting, as well as from dust and moisture. With a plethora of colors, textures, and finishes available, epoxy even has a presence in the art world. Epoxy manufacturers often analyze their products to determine both moisture and solids content. During processing, too much or too little moisture can affect mold temperature, mold pressure, and cure time. It can also negatively affect the flow properties of the material in question, which can slow down production. After production, too much moisture can lead to blistering and decreased strength, whereas too little can alter the moldability of the final product. As you can see from our test, the old bottle of epoxy has more than 5.5 times more moisture than the new bottle. This is most likely due to the age of the old epoxy and its packaging and storage conditions. With a 14 to 16 year age difference, there was sure to be some amount of moisture gain in the expired product. It could have been made using a slightly different process, packaged in different packaging, or could contain different types of additives. Thanks for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of old and new epoxy. If you did, let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than Moisture Matters. If you like this video, click on the box to the left to check out some of our other Moisture Matters videos. Have something you want us to test? Suggest the next Moisture Matters topic by clicking on the box to the right.